Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this kitty litter enclosure. So what's nice about this is if you have cats and you don't want to have kitty litter all over the place, it's nice because when they flick their little paws to bury their mess, a lot of the times they just flick kitty litter everywhere. So if you have this this enclosure here, to put the kitty litter box inside there, and then when they do their business, it doesn't get all over the place. Okay, so let's get started right now. Get this thing built here. Okay. Ooh, these instructions look a little quick here. Basically, okay. Put this off to the side. Here's C. And then J is going to be our bottom. Okay. So this looks like it's J. Got nice little sliders on there already. All right, my friends, so here we go. It's perfect for like a window seat. Fits right under the window there, so you could put a book there, sit there and read a book, put a little, even a cushion on top there and be perfect. And then you have a boogie in here. Hey buddy, what you doing? So it keeps it nice and hidden. The cats obviously like to play in there. Because of the little cave, they like to explore. So there's food in there too. And we have a litter box back there in the back. And so he can, hi buddy. And this also opens up so you can see. Easy to clean out. If they do spill anything, just take a vacuum in there real quick. And that's gonna keep them from being like a big mess and getting all over the place. But you see there's plenty of room for the litter box to go in there and the cats to fit in there as well. Hey buddy, you're a good kitty. He's like, no, right now I'm eating. You can put their food in there too if you want to. Hi buddy, you're happy? Well, my friends, pretty nice little cabinet here. Cats are gonna enjoy it, and it'll probably just keep everything a lot neater, and it looks a lot nicer than some ugly kitty litter box sitting in the middle of your house. So thanks for watching, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.